We are Margarita from Colombia and Videlma from Italy, who are living in Auroville, who are committed to be tuned with solutions, environmental friendly cleaning products, well-being products, and all related to massive amount of plastic development, parabens, palm oil products, all very safe name of cleaning. It's not just being clean, it's what's happened after we are clean. I throw away plastic after I am clean. I put in phosphates in my wastewater treatment plant because I am clean. What is this to be clean? The question, who are we, is to be clean, but with a loss of respect for Mother Earth, respect for humans, our beautiful animals, flora, soil, water, all who compromise the life of the future of our planet.
You say, why, when we wash ourselves or we clean our space, instead of really cleaning and washing, we are just polluting even more with chemicals that are everywhere in body care, household. So we decided the Probiotics House. Probiotics is a fantastic solution and help for human, nature, animals. We need clean, truly clean product, no harmful, no pollution.
Like who are free of palm oil, free of paraben, phosphate, sodium lauryl sulfate, synthetic fragrance. But not only that, we want to bring consumers telling the campaign of the plastic in the oceans, plastic in the rivers, plastic in our neighbors, plastic everywhere. We promote our customers to reuse, refill, don't buy plastic. Whatever they needed, just come here without taking one plastic more to the landfill. Our message is very clear. All together, we need to help in this plastic ocean.